Hello everyone, so today I want to share the tutorial how to do cut to cut video on a TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is open the TikTok application. Okay, and after we are generated into the first page, you just need to click this plus button to create the new project or the new content. And after that you can see that there will be a lot of options here. So this one photo for the photo content, this one is text, and for the left side is for video. There will be several length. They will 15 seconds, 60 seconds, and 10 minutes. So let's make a 15 seconds video, and after that how to do cut to cut, you just need to focus on this button. So if you want to start, just need to click it and take the first clip, and after you're done, just click it back to stop the first recording. Okay, let's try. So let's do this and stop. That's for the first clip, and then for the next clip you can just find out the another angle. For example, this selling. Okay, do the same, click, stop. You can do that for the rest of the time. You can do this for 15 seconds only, since we choose 15 seconds. But then after you done with everything, you just need to click this. Okay, and click seconds only, since we choose. Okay, so that's all the way how you create a cut to cut video. You can apply into your content for the TikTok. So if you find out this guidance got you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.